Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Update the Zoom app so the mobile background feature is available. Once updated, sign in and grant camera and microphone access because Zoom needs them to preview backgrounds. Open a meeting or go to Settings right arrow Meetings to reach background controls. This is faster than waiting until you join. Tap Camera Preview so you can see changes in real time. Make sure your phone is steady and well lit, since proper lighting helps the background effect blend more naturally. Once done, join the meeting and tap More, then choose Virtual Background or Backgrounds and Filters to open options. You can pick a built-in scene or tap the plus icon to upload an image from Photos. Use a 3, 4, or 16:9 composition for best fit. Make small adjustments. Move the phone slightly back to reduce background clutter, and change lighting so your face is evenly lit. This helps Zoom separate you from the backdrop. If available, toggle the blur or green screen mode to refine edges. Finish by previewing the effect in camera and tapping Save or Done to lock it in. You'll see how it looks to others. If the background jitters or cuts out, make sure your surroundings are evenly lit, then enable the green screen option if you have a solid backdrop, or switch to a simpler image to reduce processing. If problems persist, close and restart Zoom, check for app updates, and, as a last step, reboot your phone. This clears temporary glitches so the background applies reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.